Hey, good evening, guys. It's Steve from Steve's Home Cooking. So we're going to do another recipe. This one's an all-veggie recipe. We're going to take cauliflower and make tacos out of it. Yeah, I know, it doesn't sound like it's going to be something you would normally use, but just watch and see. Hey, guys, it's Steve from Steve's Home Cooking again. So what we're doing is we're grinding up cauliflower. So let me get this all ground up and I'll be right back. All right, so now we have all the cauliflower cut up. So now let's add the other ingredients. All right, so now we're gonna add a can of garbanzo beans. And now also we're gonna add a can of regular beans. So these are actually chili beans or pinto beans that have some peppers in them. So now we'll take and mix this all up. Now we took the beans and I put them in the food processor and ground them up just a little bit. Not too much. And I think I actually got these a little too much, but that's okay. It'll be fine. So now I'm going to add eggs. 2 eggs usually is good. And then I'm going to add some Italian breadcrumbs. That should be good. Now I'm going to mix it up. Okay, so now that this is all mixed up, you should put it in the refrigerator for at least a couple hours. 24 hours is best, and then you cook. So let's put it in the refrigerator for a bit and we'll be back. All right, guys, it's been 24 hours since we started this. So we have a patty, and now we're cooking it. Just cooking it in a regular pan, a little bit of avocado oil, and just kind of let it cook. So guys, this is how it turns out. They turn out really, really good. So again, as I've always said, it's better to eat at home than it is to eat out.